Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Avenger. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger, you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, air conditioning, passenger airbag, front wheel drive, power steering, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power windows, remote power door locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.